Everything you think you know about space is wrong. In 10 minutes, 10 truths will wreck your intuition. Fact 1. A single teaspoon of neutron star matter weighs billions of tons. To put that in perspective, imagine packing the entire mass of Mount Everest into a single sugar cube. That's the kind of density we're talking about. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars. Cosmic relics so dense they crush atoms themselves. Under unimaginable pressure, electrons and protons are forced to merge, creating a sea of pure neutrons. What's left is a bizarre substance nicknamed nuclear pasta, matter denser than an atomic nucleus, all trapped beneath a crystalline crust of solid iron. The gravity is so extreme it visibly bends space-time, red-shifting light that struggles to escape its pull. Fact 2. Our galaxy is filled with ghosts. Rogue planets, worlds without suns, likely outnumber the stars themselves. These cosmic orphans were violently kicked out of their home systems by gravitational battles between larger planets. Now they drift through the cold, interstellar void. For them, there is no sunrise, no sunset, only an endless, star-dusted night. Yet they aren't all frozen wastelands. Some may retain a sliver of warmth, generated by the decay of radioactive rocks in their core or through the tidal flexing of a captured moon. In the vast, silent darkness between the stars, entire worlds drift, utterly and completely alone. Fact 3. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest natural place we have ever found, clocking in at about 1 Kelvin. That's just 1 degree above absolute zero, the theoretical point where all atomic motion ceases. It's even colder than the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background radiation that permeates all of space. How is this possible? The nebula is formed by a dying star at its center, which is blasting out gas at incredible speeds. This rapid, violent expansion acts like a hyper-efficient cosmic refrigerator, causing the gas to turbo-cool itself. In the process, space itself has engineered the ultimate freezer. Fact 4. Meet the magnetar, the universe's most terrifying magnetic monster. These are a type of neutron star with magnetic fields a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's, a trillion times stronger than a fridge magnet. A field this powerful could wipe a credit card clean from halfway to the moon. It's so intense it would tear you apart atom by atom from 1,000 kilometers away. The immense magnetic stress causes their solid crusts to crack in violent starquakes. When this happens, the fabric of space-time itself rings like a bell, and the magnetar unleashes a colossal flash of energy, a glitch that outshines the entire galaxy in X-rays and gamma rays for a fraction of a second. Fact 5. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe, capable of outshining entire galaxies. At the heart of a quasar is a supermassive black hole, actively and voraciously feeding on surrounding gas and stars. As this material spirals inward, it forms an accretion disk that heats up to millions of degrees, becoming white hot with friction and radiation. This process is so efficient it converts mass to energy more effectively than nuclear fusion. From the poles of this chaotic system, twin jets of plasma punch out at near light speed, stretching for millions of light years. A single, tiny point in space, generating 100,000 times the brightness of the entire Milky Way. They are cosmic lighthouses, beaming at us from the dawn of the universe. Fact 6. Behold one of the largest known structures in the observable universe, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This isn't a solid object, but a colossal filament of the cosmic web, a chain of galaxy clusters and superclusters bound together by gravity, spanning a staggering 10 billion light-years. To put that into perspective, the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. This single structure takes up more than 10% of it. Its sheer scale fundamentally challenges our cosmological models, which predict that matter should be distributed more or less uniformly on the largest scales. When you map the cosmos, this thing still looks absurdly, impossibly big. Fact 7. 12 billion light-years away, there's a cosmic water reservoir of unimaginable size. Surrounding the quasar APM 08279 Pli 5255 is a gigantic cloud of water vapor, containing enough H2O to fill 140 trillion of Earth's oceans. This ancient water, seen as it was when the universe was young, is being churned by the immense energy of the quasar's central black hole. The disk glows, and the water vapor mists the entire region, which we can detect through its faint microwave signature. It's a profound discovery, proving that the essential ingredients for life were present even in the earliest epochs of cosmic history. Space isn't just empty, it's thirsty, and it comes fully stocked. Fact 8. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These are one of modern astronomy's greatest mysteries. They are incredibly powerful, millisecond-long flashes of radio waves that can release as much energy in that tiny moment as our sun does over several years. They erupt from distant galaxies, and then they are gone. Some have been observed to repeat from the same location, but many are one-off events, never to be seen again. The leading theory points to magnetars as the source, but other, stranger possibilities haven't been ruled out. They flicker across the universe like cosmic camera flashes, and for a moment, they are the brightest radio sources in the sky, before they vanish without a trace. Fact 9. Saturn's iconic rings, the most majestic sight in our solar system, are both surprisingly young and tragically mortal. We once thought they were as old as the planet itself, but data from the Cassini spacecraft suggests they likely formed in the last 100 million years when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth, and they are dying. Pulled by Saturn's gravity and magnetic field, the icy ring particles are constantly falling into the planet's upper atmosphere as a phenomenon called ring rain. In a few 100 million years, they will be gone completely. In future cosmic ages, Saturn may be just another bare gas giant, its glorious rings reduced to pale atmospheric bands and a distant memory. Fact 10. Time dilation near a black hole isn't just a plot device, it's a physical reality. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity warps the fabric of space-time itself. The stronger the gravity, the deeper the warp, and the slower time flows. If you could skim the event horizon of a supermassive black hole, a few hours for you could translate to years, decades, or even centuries for someone far away. Clocks literally tick slower in deeper gravitational wells. This effect has been measured with atomic clocks at different altitudes right here on Earth. It isn't science fiction, it is the fundamental math of our universe, a reminder that time itself is not absolute. If that didn't bend your perception of reality, nothing will. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. Like, share, and subscribe for part 2, where we'll dive even deeper into the beautiful, terrifying, and unbelievable cosmos. Until then, look up and stay curious.